What's the salient technological feature that led to your machine being awarded the prize? Netafim Italia was awarded the prize for a pressure compensating dripper PCJ Pro, developed in Israel by a parent company, Naxarim, to meet the needs of farmers, small fruit, strawberries, blueberries, cannabis. With this dripper, we can deliver water to the crops in a uniform way. As the pressure changes, when the topography changes and the water quality changes, the dripper has a turbulence circuit in the labyrinth, leads to the right amount of water being delivered to the field in order to avoid the asphyxia or the water stress for the crops. It's a revamped product compared to the previous models. In fact, it has a self-compensating chamber to regulate capacity and pressure, and a cross-section of the dripper, which is better by 20%. So you're all over the world. What's the new horizon of innovation, in your opinion? Netafim was established in Israel, and the need was to feed the community. The land is a desert, and so they developed precision irrigation, irrigating with the right amount of water at the right time for the plant. Netafim is trying to innovate, as they've always been their goal to do. And we have 33 branches all over the world. We are present in 110 countries all over the world, and we have 19 manufacturing plants, but we're investing on sustainability, environmental sustainability. First and foremost, we open 2 new manufacturing plants which are focused on reusing plastic, recovery from the field, and recovery and reuse in the productive cycle of the product, the polymer, in order to give a new life to the products. So Netafim is always trying to innovate, bearing in mind sustainability, grow more with less. This is a slogan, grow more with less, and this is what we've always pursued in our activity, provide more food to people, because according to experts, by 20 people there will be 10 billion people on the earth, so we'll need 70% more food. So what we're trying to do is using a precious good, water, the right amount at the right time. Innovation and sustainability. Do you need any external funding or any partnership to develop your projects? Undoubtedly, in agriculture, European funds and local funding is also very important to provide an active support for agriculture, which is a primary sector. We need to repeat that agriculture has to grow and must grow. Investments are important in our sector, and I think we should receive as many funds as possible, also in terms of water infrastructure, namely the way we make water available to farmers. Last but not least, how do you communicate your product? The best way to communicate our products is let the field speak. Crops come from the field, and if the product works, it works on the field. So our first and foremost communication strategy is the field. We are an international company. We use online and offline communication, so we use different channels, but we want to let the field talk for us.